Welcome to ASPC Excel Guides. Count is a statistical function in Excel. It is very simple to use. Select a cell, type equal to and count. This function counts the number of cells in a range that contains numbers. Hit tab. The function is asking for the arguments as value 1, value 2 and so on. Up to 255 arguments. Let us provide the arguments. Select the range from G2 to G27. Hit enter. The count is 26. Now, if I delete any value from here, count will be reduced by 1. Type anything except number. The count will not change. Please remember, count function only consider the cells with numbers. It ignores other than numbers. If you want to include another column in the count function, you can do it as another argument. Put a comma, select the range, hit enter. Now I will show you another function, count A. In this cell, type equal to and count A. The function counts the number of non-empty cells within a range. Select the range. Hit enter after closing bracket. Let me use count function below this function to understand the difference between count and count A function. Both the output is same, 26. Let's test these functions. Delete data from this cell. Both cells are showing the same count, 25. Now type anything in this cell. Count is showing 25, but count A is showing 26. Remember, count function counts those cells which are number data type, and on the other hand, count A function counts everything but ignores the empty cells. But think of a scenario where I want to count how many times the name Smith occurs in D column. We need to use COUNTIF function. Please watch the next video to know how to use COUNTIF function. Please like and click the subscribe button to get modern Excel tutorials notification. Thank you for your interest.